Good morning, everyone. In our previous video, we have learned about nucleus, that it is present centrally in animal cell and it is present periphery in plant cell. A nucleus regulate all the activities of the cell. The second important part of the nucleus is nucleolus. You have seen inside the nucleus some rounded bodies. These rounded bodies we called nucleolus. It is known as factory of ribosomes. Ribosome is a non-membranous part of the cell. It helps in protein synthesis of the body. The third, chromosomes. In this diagram, you can see centrally located region is called nucleus. And in between, you have seen thread-like structures are visible. These thread-like structures are chromosomes. When the cells about to divide, these thread-like structure condensed and form structure like this. You have seen a flower-like structure here. These structures get condensed when the cell divide and form this type of structure which we called chromosome. Inside the chromosome, certain functional segments are present. These functional segments contain gene and that gene contain DNA. DNA is the genetic material of living organism. This DNA is responsible for all our characteristics and this DNA is responsible for our resemblance with our parents. That's why we always resemble with our parents and not with our neighbors. So dear students, we were discussing about chromosomes. So now you are familiar that chromosomes are thread-like structure present in the nucleus of the cell. When the cell about to divide, these thread-like structure condensed and form flower-shaped structure which we called chromosome structure. On the chromosome, certain functional segments are present which contain genes, and genes express our characteristics and responsible for our resemblance with our parents, such as intelligence, skin complexion, height. Each and everything is because we acquired genes, we acquired DNA from our parents. Thank you and have a nice day.